This video is to walk through a belt change on a compact paper. As you can see, the belt has some buildup on it that would be under the paper. First step is to remove the drive chain that drives the in-feed and out-feed rollers. On the in-feed, it is helpful to remove the corner panel. You can see they completely removed the outfeed table for better access. Next, they are loosening the tension on the belt with these nuts on the outfeed side. On the in-feed, to get the drive motor off, you must first remove the encoder, which is held on with a set screw and 2 bolts through the bracket. Next is removing the drive motor off the shaft. It is helpful to unwire it first. Remove the 4 bolts that hold the bearing blocks on each side. Using straps around the drive shaft allows you to lift it out of the slot easier, or it can be manhandled as you see here. The outfeed roller comes out next, lifting with straps and placing it on the deck for easy removal. Next step is to remove the deck slats. They are tongue and groove, and the end ones are held in with 1 screw. While you have access to the machine, a thorough cleaning is recommended. Remove any debris and dust. Inspect the polymer support rollers. Clean them or replace if necessary. Inspect and clean the main drive rollers. Also clean the slats from any debris. Now you are ready to unroll the new belt and install the slats. Using the slats to install the rollers and position them back into their slots. Reinstall the motor and encoder. Make sure you retension the belt evenly on each side. I like to mark the roller with a marker so I can track the belt. You will want to inspect the belt movement several times a day for the first couple of days to ensure proper belt tracking. If it is moving to one side, then tighten the same side, half or quarter turn. With the machine in manual mode, you can enable the conveyor to move the belt. This is a good opportunity to clean and make sure the belt is in good alignment. Finish putting the outfeed extension on and connect the drive chains on both sides. Finish putting all panels and pieces back together